Hello, today is March 25th, 2024. We are conducting a video source inspection for one of our overseas customers. Their sales order is located here on our control panel. Up here are our light indicators. This will tell us at any given point in time during the process what is active. With our 101S controller, we'll be running an abbreviated process, starting with a rinse cycle, 30 seconds at 1800 RPMs, correction, 30 seconds at 500 RPMs, followed by a purge at 1800 RPMs for 10 seconds, followed by a dry 1, 30 seconds for 1800 RPMs, and then dry 2 as our final cycle, 30 seconds at 500 RPMs. Let's begin. As you can see, once we push start, our door sealed, our rinse is engaged, and our LPP will be constantly on. And then when we transition into our purge, there will be a 5-second delay between the lights turning on, and then, or correction, the heaters turning on, and then the purge engaging. We are now in dry 1. All right, our recipe is completed. As you can see, our RSP is engaged, our door is unsealed, and this concludes the video source inspection. Have a great day.